Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that has fascinated scientists and terrified humans for centuries: black holes. These mysterious cosmic monsters can bend space, slow down time, and even swallow entire stars. In this video, we'll explore 10 mind-blowing facts about black holes that will completely change the way you look at the universe. So stick around till the end, because fact number 10 is going to blow your mind. When most people think of black holes, they imagine a giant vacuum cleaner sucking up everything around them. But that's not how it works. A black hole only pulls things in if they cross a certain boundary called the event horizon. If our sun suddenly turned into a black hole of the same mass, Earth would still orbit it in the same way, just in complete darkness. Here's where things get crazy. Black holes don't just affect matter, they affect time itself. The closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves for you compared to the rest of the universe. This is called time dilation. Theoretically, if you orbited a black hole for just a few hours, when you came back, years could have passed for everyone else on Earth. It's like a one-way ticket into the future. At the very center of every black hole is a point of infinite density called the singularity. It's a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down completely. Gravity is so strong there that not even light can escape. Scientists still don't fully understand what happens inside a singularity. It's one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. At the very center of every black holes come in all sizes. Some are just a few kilometers across but weigh more than millions of suns combined. Imagine compressing the mass of Mount Everest into something the size of a marble. That's how insanely dense they are. When two black holes collide, the result is an enormous release of energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time itself. These were first detected in 2015, confirming predictions Albert Einstein made 100 years earlier. It was one of the greatest scientific discoveries of our time. Not only do black holes exist, they can spin at nearly the speed of light. A spinning black hole drags space-time around with it, a phenomenon known as frame dragging. If you tried to orbit one, space itself would literally be twisted beneath you. Believe it or not, black holes are not just destructive. Supermassive black holes, found at the centers of galaxies, actually power some of the brightest objects in the universe called quasars. As matter falls in, it heats up and releases more energy than billions of stars combined. Without black holes, many galaxies might not even exist. You might be wondering, is there a black hole near us? The closest known black hole is about 1,000 light-years away in the constellation Telescopium. Don't worry, that's far enough that it poses no threat. But in cosmic terms, it's actually very close. In April 2019, humanity achieved something historic. Scientists captured the first-ever image of a black hole's shadow in the galaxy M87. It looked like a glowing orange ring, a direct glimpse into one of the universe's darkest secrets. For the first time, we could actually see the invisible. Now, in April 2019, here's the wildest fact. Some scientists believe that black holes might be portals to other dimensions or even other universes. This idea comes from the concept of wormholes, which are theoretical tunnels in space-time. While we don't have proof yet, if true, black holes might not just be the end of everything. They could be a gateway to something completely new. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about black holes. These cosmic giants are both terrifying and fascinating, and they remind us how little we actually know about the universe. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing facts about the universe. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.